He's fine and just... Wait, who is so rude interrupting my intro?
Oh, gosh.
Oh, it's Chad.
Oh, okay.
Chad, what's up?
Hey, Regina, Daniel, Melvin and I are trapped inside the Project Zorgo headquarters. I'm underneath this food cart. He's on top of it. There he is. Hey, my stomach hurts. Get here as quickly as you can to save us. I'm pretty sure it's the basement.
Oh my gosh, you guys are in the basement?
Can you wake it up over here? Take that. That ought to put him back to sleep.
Okay, let's gear up, you guys. We gotta go save Chad and Melvin. Let's go. Remember that access point that only me and FaZe can fit into?
Oh yeah, the tiny hatch.
It's right over here. I think that's the way to them.
Oh wait, guys, is that Joseph Banks over there?
Joseph Banks. We don't know if we could trust that guy.
Remember deep down in the hatch we found that boombox and it said the scientist is evil.
Is Joseph Banks evil?
He's the only scientist I know. Let's go follow him.
What about Albert Einstein?
Albert who?
Just kidding, I know him. What is he doing? Is he meeting up with Project Zorgo members?
Wait a minute. Looks like he's heading toward the little entryway that only me and PC2 fits in.
What is he gonna do there? He can't fit down there.
He's locking it up.
Why is he doing that? Now how am I gonna get in and save Chad and Melvin?
It's like he knew you were coming to rescue Melvin and Chad, so he locked it up.
He is evil.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe it.
He's walking away now.
Let's head towards the tunnel. It's right here.
Oh.
Look, it's all locked up.
Dang.
Why did Joseph Banks do this? Whose side is he on anyways?
Is he trying to sabotage us? This is terrible because Joseph Banks knows where the safe house is.
He knows how to create that mixture.
He may be an old man, but he sure is powerful.
But he's not as powerful and clever as me because I am the lock-picking expert. You can't trick me with this, JB.
Lockpick it. Lockpick it.
All right, wiggle here and jiggle.
Yes!
Okay.
Well, since our tushies are too big, go save Chad and Melvin by yourself.
I'm gonna go in, you guys.
Hey, don't worry. When you're down there, me and Regina, we got your back. We're gonna be watching you on a security feed, okay?
Oh, yeah, we'll hack into that bad boy.
All right, keep me safe.
Good luck, V.
Okay.
Time to hack these bad boys.
Yes.
I know these tunnels like the back of my hands. I can probably crawl through this with my eyes closed. Wait a minute. What is going on here? Right here, you guys, I usually take a right to go down to the basement, but right now, it's only to the left. It's the only way to go. What is wrong here? Is my memory fading? I guess I'll just take it. Let's take a left here. Ugh.
Okay, Regina, we gotta hack those security cams in the basement.
I'm already on it,
So-
boy. A little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Okay, I'm gonna beat you though, because as you know, I'm PZ1, the most superior hacker.
I'm PZ4, the better looking one.
That's not true.
We're both beautiful.
Shoot, typo. Butterfingers. I can't type all of a sudden for some reason. I hacked in that security cam.
Hey, no you didn't.
Whoa, okay.
I don't think you got the right room.
Do not want to see that. Let's go, let me keep trying.
Okay, let me try.
Okay, guys. I've been crawling for a while now, and I just got through this vent just right ahead of here. Usually, I just go like horizontal, then I'll end up in the basement, but I don't know why this vent here relocated itself, and now I have to jump down it. I don't know what's going on here. This tunnel seems strange, but it's the only way to the basement now. So I gotta go down there because I gotta save Melvin and Chad. I haven't seen them in a while. I'm just gonna jump down. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, where am I right now? Okay guys, this room does not look familiar, but I'm definitely down in the basement. Chad and Melvin is not here. Where could they be? I'm gonna actually go and look around to see if I can find them.
Good thing I'm the better hacker, cause check it out. There's our girl V.
She made it to the basement.
Yes. Okay, so now she has to find Chad and Melvin. This room is empty.
What the heck? They're supposed to be here. Where's Chad and Melvin? Oh no.
Hackers, hide V, hide.
Hide.
Oh gosh.
I have lots of work to do, so please, I need absolute silence.
Yo, okay. Where's my laptop?
What do you do with your laptop, Easy Phone? How are you gonna get work done without a laptop?
It's okay. I read.
Well, let's see here.
Which hackers are those?
The one with the suspenders. That's 314.
Oh, of course.
Pen and paper guy.
Yeah.
Who's the other one?
That's PZ5, also known as PZ FUNF.
Oh gosh, now V's stuck.
She has to get those two out of the room so she can leave the room.
Get them out.
Maybe they'll leave the room soon?
One of them's gotta go to the bathroom eventually.
Yes, exactly. Project Zorgo's always pooping after all. Oh, look what FUNF is doing.
He's making his pencil look like a worm.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
I am amused, but 314, he don't look like he like it so much.
314 is not liking this. Oh no, what is FUNF doing now? Oh, Oh, got him.
Got him.
Got him.
Got him.
See what I'm saying? PZ FUNF is awesome.
He's funny. Oh, but 314.
Oh, 314 is not happy. Okay, 314, leave the room if you're upset, right? Just get out of there.
I never seen him have a temper tantrum like that.
Yeah, gosh. He needs to calm down. What do they even do? Oh, I'm getting a phone call. It's V.
V.
Hello, V.
I'm in the office of 314 and FUNF right now. They're not leaving. Do you have any ideas on how to distract them?
I don't know what to do right now. How are we gonna get them out of the room?
I noticed that right on top of 314's desk is a vent. And that is the same vent that led me here. So you guys, try to come up with anything that can lead down the vent here.
So it's the same vent that you went down that will lead to the top of PZ314's head?
I can, like, throw something down the vent and hit him in the head.
Yeah. Well, maybe we shouldn't hit his head with something hard, because that could be very dangerous.
This vent right here, this is the one that V went down. So V, if we open this and then I throw something down there, it'll land right on PZ314's head?
Yeah, maybe you can throw something down.
Fantastic.
Oh, awesome.
Let's think of an idea.
Okay, anything around here we can throw down there?
Let's check. All right, look for something. It's your favorite place. Oh my gosh, you're really going in
Maybe
there.
a McCafe can we throw it down?
Really
Maybe a Big Mac with no onions?
No! Put it back. Nothing for the garbage.
Something that will, like, hurt him more, right? Give him a nice doink.
Hey, there's another garbage right here.
I like the way you think, Regina.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? The heavy things must go to the bottom of the dumpster, right? So if I
Okay.
just dive in.
Oh, hey, Daniel. No.
What?
You're disgusting, boy. No. No dumpster diving. Found something over here. A lonesome cup.
Wait a minute. I've seen these before. Remember that Packer PZ30 Love?
Yeah, the one that plays tennis and has a very strange obsession with cups.
Yeah, for some reason he thinks they are magnificent or something. They're just a cup.
Very odd.
Filled with trash.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Yes. We take the bottle and we pour it in the red cup, and we pour the red cup down the tunnel, and it'll get PZ314 all wet. Yes! That's perfect!
do
Let's
it!
This is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna pour the water in here and then open the hatch and right on 314's head.
Wait a minute. Why don't we just pour the water bottle down, huh?
Oh, well, because we want a big ol' splash, not a little bit drip, 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 drip. We gotta get them soaked.
Okay, you're right.
Here we go. Well, it's gonna be a big ol' splash, a bunch of water at once.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Here we go.
In 3, 2, 1, do it!
Oh, what in the world? Oh my goodness, oh, flummery, my paperwork, my taxes, oh, water just came from the sky. Oh, my taxes, oh no.
It worked!
Yes, he's all wet.
He is saturated.
That was amazing. Oh my gosh, I would have never thought of that because you know how I feel about water. Just not my friend. But that was awesome, you guys.
He's leaving the room.
Leaving, yes.
Our plan worked.
Change of clothes, PZ314.
Now that 314 is out of the room, I only have FUNF left to take care of. And I think FUNF likes me. And a few days ago, the whole Spy Ninja team helped FUNF and Squire with the challenge that helped them stay in Project Zorgo. So I feel like FUNF owes us. And I have the perfect gift for him. Look at this, you guys. It's the Harry Potter jelly beans. He loves Harry Potter. He's reading it right now.
Good idea, V. Because FUNF is a huge fan of Harry Potter, and those jelly beans are from Harry Potter. Some of them are like really gross flavored, like vomit. They got like boogers. They got like grass toothpaste.
Well, that doesn't sound very fun.
It's just part of the movie. It's a fun little game you can play.
Okay, yeah. FUNF will love that, V. Go distract them with it.
I'm just gonna go out there. Wish me luck, you guys. Give this video a big thumbs up right now, and hopefully FUNF won't got any more PC hackers out.
Yes, V. That's really smart. We did. What? Because we did help FUNF. Remember that one time?
He likes you, V. He wishes you were his best friend.
We helped him stay in Project Zorgo.
It was like at the basketball court, and we like showed him the trivia
I
answers.
showed him how to dance.
Yeah. So we got a good thing going. The Spy Ninja's PZ FUNF.
Yeah.
PC FUNF! Shh! It's me, Spy Ninja V, yes.
Spy Ninja!
Yeah.
Why are you here?
No, you don't have to fight me. Remember, we all helped you.
Oh
It's Fire.
yeah, you hold sign for me. That's why I'm still in Project Zorgo.
Yeah, Spy Ninja, friend of PC FUNF.
Friend?
Yes, friend.
Qwaint is my new best friend.
Yes, yay! Please don't tell the leader that I'm here, okay? Because I'll be in really big trouble. I'll be in danger. You don't want me to be in trouble, right? I also have a gift for you.
Gift?
Yes!
I want to see.
Okay, it's right here. I know you're a huge Harry Potter fan.
Yeah!
I got you jelly beans!
Birthday Bots jelly beans!
Authentic.
I love it! Dankeschön!
You're welcome.
Dankeschön, I know tell no one.
Oh, V! 314 is coming back. Hide!
Okay.
Hide.
She's good.
Hello! Nothing!
What?
Sit down!
Oh, I think her and FUNF have a little something going on. Not in a romantic way.
Oh.
But in like
A friendship way.
friendship way.
Hello, easy phone. I'm all dry now. That was just ridiculous. I am so upset.
Oh, I know what make you happy. Go Spy Ninja. Okay, thank you. Jelly beans!
Easy phone, what did I say? I am so far behind on my deadline.
Oh, they got flavor. Just try one, please. It make you happy.
Look, FUNF has her back. He's distracting 314 with the jelly bean game.
Perfect,
So
V.
now V can sneak out of there.
Get out of there, V, and find out where Chad and Melvin are, dog.
If I try one jelly bean, will you please leave me alone for the rest of the day?
Yeah, try this one. Eat that.
It's working.
Yes!
Go V.
That's the way.
Go,
That's
V,
the
go.
way.
Go,
That's
V,
the
go.
way.
Okay, now V's out of there.
You know what? This kind of tickles my jolly a little bit. It's kind of funny.
I do feel a little tickled.
I kind of don't want to stop watching.
Let's keep watching FUNF and 314.
Yeah, because maybe one of them will get the vomit flavor and go.
Yeah.
Here you go, easy phone. Now eat your jelly bean and shut your mouth.
It's orange, like your glove.
Yes, the best color in the rainbow.
I eat.
Oh, FUNF picked a.
I know this one. That's the vomit flavor.
Oh my gosh, really? I can't wait to see FUNF's reaction.
Gonna like throw up.
He's gonna barf.
What do you think, easy phone? Delicious?
Yummy! It's so good.
Wait, what's going on? No!
He can't like it.
Oh, no way, he likes that? Gross!
That's disgusting.
He likes the taste of vomit, Casey.
That's so gross.
Maybe he's not smart enough to differentiate tastes. Maybe everything tastes the same to him.
That doesn't make any sense to you.
I think Melvin and Chad is not in the basement because since they rearrange everything, I don't even know what this new layout is like. So I'm gonna go take the elevator and go to a different floor. Okay guys, I'm in the elevator. I'm not quite sure which floor to go, but I think it's probably lower, so I'm just gonna press the lower button to go down. This is kind of scary because I'm completely exposed. I'm just gonna try and be quiet. Oh, look at this. There's just a box of hacker mask and hoodie right here. Might as well just use these as disguise so they don't know that I'm here, just in case they run into me. All right, let's hack her up, guys. Hi, PZ2.
Hello.
How are you? Where are you going? Do you need help? This one, hopefully? Okay, good. What? I'm doing fine? No? I don't need to go to the bathroom, no. Do you need to go to the bathroom? V? No, that's not my name. My name is Nikki. No, oh no, no, PZ too. No.
It's 314's turn. I wonder what flavor he's gonna get.
Oh, he's picked a yellow one. What flavor is that,
That's
Regent?
boogies.
Boogies? Ew!
I don't tell you flavor. I will taste.
What just happened?
Is he throwing up? He's making weird noises.
I think he's barfing.
Oh,
He did!
Oh,
He
in his
totally
mask.
just... Ew! He puked in his mask.
It's horrible.
Oh.
I need to take off my mask and clean this up. Oh gosh. No.
Go clean yourself, 314.
Oh, he's having a rough day. But we have to do this, right? It's the only way we can rescue Chad and Melvin because they're gonna capture Melvin. And not only that, but then 715 is gonna be back in Project Zorgo.
And not only that, but 715 is gonna be back in Project Zorgo.
I just said that.
Oh my gosh.
PZ2, what's wrong with you?
He likes to practice fighting with me. That's what he's saying. I always defeat him. Look how upset he is.
I don't understand a word you're saying.
He's saying, ay, 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 caramba. That's a song that he likes. That's one of his favorite songs. Ay, 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 caramba. Yeah, yeah, ay, 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 caramba. Yeah.
Well, you guys send me the link to that song.
Oh, no, I'm not gonna shine your shoe anymore, PZ2. You do it yourself. You see? Yes, it's like it's Italian leather. It's very nice, but he keeps wanting me to shine it.
Very fine leather. Well, my elevator's here.
Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, PZ2. Okay, so, oh, it's my floor. Okay, bye. Thanks, bye. Okay, bye. This room here, I haven't been to, so I'm gonna bust in. Hopefully, Chad and Melvin are in here.
Hey there, PZ member.
Oh, hi, PZ member.
Yeah, I brought PZ9.
It's you! V!
Chad, you blew my cover!
I recognized your shoes!
V! Wait, the spy ninjas are here! You've been down here the whole time!
Yeah!
Oh, hold him off! You guys get out of here! I have one more gift for him! Oh, no!
Alright, guys, let's get out of here!
Exit through that way, right over here!
Wait, where?
What's this?
Oh no!
It's PZ2!
PZ2!
Hey!
Oh no!
Hey!
I'm gonna get you, Jack! Save me, PZ2!
PZ2! I'm sorry. I love you.
Oh, no! Oh, gross!
That stinks! Oh my gosh, he likes it! I didn't mean to!
Oh my god!
I did this wrong!
Go! Daniel, Regina, we're back! We're back! Chad and Melvin's back!
You guys are out alive!
Yeah!
Yay!
Saved us, B's the savior.
Just in the nick of time.
And wait until you see what I took from the Project Zorgo headquarters.
I didn't know you took something.
Clue number 1. Clue number 2, they're envelopes.
You got these clues? Let's open it up in the next video on Chad's channel. So thank you to all you notification ninjas who show up whenever I post a brand new video in the first hour. I'm showing your comments right here. Melvin, where are you going?
He's sick. He ate a lot of cheese today. He's gonna be busy in the bathroom.
Oh, okay. All right, so make sure to subscribe to me, to Chad, to Melvin, Daniel, and Regina.
It's a lot of people to subscribe to.
Yeah, it is. But importantly, to Chad, because the next video is gonna be on his channel. So let's do a kick bump out. Kick bump!